special report on Dr. Allington, current professor of education at University of Tennessee. Dr. Allington grew up on a dairy farm in rural Michigan, graduating from Western Michigan University with an elementary education and social science degree. Then became a 4th and 5th grade teacher before completing his Master's of Arts in Reading. Dr. Allington went on to earn his PhD in elementary and special education from Michigan State University. He has since worked in Albany as a professor and department chair of reading and senior research, a distinguished professor of education at University of Florida, and currently a professor of education at University of Tennessee. Dr. Allington has been co-editor of several books such as What Really Matters for Struggling Readers, Designing Research-Based Programs, What Really Matters for Reading Fluency, and his most recent, No Quick Fix, the RTI edition. Allington is credited with helping lay groundwork for the response to intervention, or RTI concept. In an interview responding to RTI, Allington says it is critical of how it has been conceptualized and implemented in schools. He believes the most important part of the tiered framework is the intensive reading instruction in a regular classroom. The interview quotes Allington saying, "We can reduce the number of kids who have trouble in the first grade by half by just improving kindergarten." Dr. Allington is not a believer in using paraprofessionals, computer-based instruction, or core reading programs. He believes reading intervention should be all day long, used in all subjects, by a classroom teacher. Dr. Allington says, if we want to attain the goal of no child left behind, we must focus on creating a substantially larger number of effective, expert teachers. To do this, he has come up with 6 T's of effective elementary literacy instruction. The first T, time, meaning having teachers and students writing for as much as half of the school day. This practice provides students opportunities to access skills and strategies. The second T, text. Allington believes students need the right text for them individually to have large amounts of high-level reading accuracy, fluency, and comprehension. Next T, teach, meaning students need active instruction and modeled skills that readers perform while decoding, like self-monitoring for understanding, summarizing while responding, and editing while composing. The fourth T, talk. Allington's research shows exemplary teachers encouraged, modeled, and supported lots of talk throughout the entire school day, like problem posing and problem solving communication related to the curriculum. The fifth T, tasks. Allington believes exemplary teachers use more longer assignments with less emphasis on filling the time with shorter, less meaningful tasks. And last but not least, test. Allington found that exemplary teachers evaluated based more on effort and improvement than simply on achievement status. That's all we have today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Literacy Channel Inside Look, Superstar Dick Allington. Tune in tomorrow for an inside look at Leslie Morrow.